So right now I'm talking and it's kind of getting up to 12, but not too much. So when I put the mic to my mouth, all the contents right here. I'm just looking at this. It says to take this first. This is the microphone body. So this is the microphone body. You're gonna take the microphone body first, and then after you're gonna take the shock mount and put this inside. I'm trying to make it so y'all can see. Okay, and this is this. And then the last little piece is this little, what do they call it? It's called a output cable. You're gonna take the output cable. You're gonna take the output cable and you're gonna connect them. I don't think there's a certain way because they both have the same like little piece. And from there, I think that's it. You just connect this to your, let's see. So here's my G7X. I actually need to take this off because I never use it. I can go ahead and take this. Nah, I'm gonna leave it. Here's my G7X and I'm going to connect. Remember earlier in the video, I said that the mic is on the side, and here it is. There's a little, it says mic. See it? So I'm just gonna open this. And it has the little place to put the cable. I'm just going to simply connect it. Let's see what happens. So nothing happened. Maybe I gotta turn it on. Let's see. Okay, so maybe I have to like turn it on. I really don't know how this works. Like I'm kind of confused. I'm not gonna lie. Let's just put all of this right here until I figure out. Okay, so it was kind of hard to figure out what was going on and if the mic is working because they don't have like an on or off switch, which is kind of weird because I was looking for like a little button or something to say on and off, but I'm guessing like when you plug it in, it's already working. I didn't know that, just found it out. So the way that I know it's working is that I had to go inside my camera. Let me show y'all. I had to go inside my camera and find sound recording. It's crazy because I'm like, I really don't know. Let's see. Hello. 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 Okay, so here's how I know it's working, right? Every time I put the microphone to my mouth and I talk, the numbers go really high and they change colors and stuff, but when it's far away from me, it doesn't do that. So like, let's just watch. So right now I'm talking and it's kind of getting up to 12, but not too much. So when I put the mic to my mouth, it does this, you see? It does this, you see? And I'm not even speaking really loud. So if I take it away, it does still do the same thing, but it's not really that much. But when it goes back to my mouth, it starts that. Okay. So that's how I know it works, okay? So let's test it out. Okay, so at this moment, I do have my mic plugged in and it is pointed this way. I'll actually just show y'all what it looks like at this moment. So this is it. I have my microphone right here. I think it's supposed to be mounted somehow, but I don't know. But this is me. This is the mic. It is on and it is turned my way. So I'm hoping that the quality of the microphone and the sound, it really does work and you can tell a difference, because that would be dope. But if it doesn't, it's gonna be real sad, because I'm like, what did I do wrong? But anyway, so that was the unboxing of my Rode microphone, and I hope that I enjoy it. But I'm kind of iffy right now, so until I edit this video and I actually can tell if there actually is a difference, then you know, that's when I'll really be happy or really be sad. But we will see. I will keep y'all updated and I will let y'all know how this works. I'm just hoping that it works out. So that was my unboxing video of my Rode mic. I think that you all should wait until my next video to go get it, because you don't want to waste your coin. And see, that's what I do. I'll waste my coin for y'all, so that y'all ain't got to make that same mistake and go waste y'all coin. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you liked, commented, or subscribed already. And if you have not, this is your time. Do it now. Do it now. Don't wait. Okay? Don't wait. Anyways, thanks for watching. It's your girl Iesha G, and I'm out. Bye.